same. Since you laid your hands on me, I'm not the same. Thank you for the sunshine that brightened up my day. I can tell the world I've been born again. Pop that and say, feel my life, my constant. I'm not the same. I know I've been changed. Be my nature. I'm not the same. I know I've been changed. I'm not the same. I know I've been changed. Be my nature. I'm not the same. I know I've been changed. Father, there been a change. Fire burning deep inside, yeah, I can't explain. Thank you for the sunshine, yeah.
Come on, Joe.
That brighten up my day. I can tell the world I've been born again. I feel my life on a solid rock I stand. Rock I stand. World all around me, my feet is sand. I'm not the same. I know I've been changed. By nature, I'm not the same. I know Say, come unto me, and I will give you rest. I wish I had somebody here know what I'm talking about. He saved my life, Lord. Yes, he did. The thing I used to do, I don't do no more. Places I used to go, I don't go no more. I'm glad that he saved my life. Anybody knows I'm glad that he saved it? You ought to wait in here and be a witness and tell the world, I know he saved my life. Somebody can be a witness. He picked me up, turned me all around. He placed my feet on the solid ground. Now they tell me when you're born, the devil don't know what you're talking about. So sometimes I steal away and I say,
Come on, Joe!
he changed me. Jesus, he changed me. Anybody glad about it? I wish I had a witness here. Do you remember your day when the Lord changed your life? Somebody said it was one Monday. He reached down and touched me. I wish I had a Monday witness. But just lift your hand and be a witness. Somebody said one Tuesday, he came and saved my life. Somebody cried on Wednesday, and he came into your life. Somebody said Thursday was your day. When Jesus changed your life. I wish I had a witness here. I got a Friday witness here. Somebody say, lady was Friday night. He touched my heart. He touched my mind. Somebody say, Saturday. He changed my soul. But I got one more day, y'all, that I'm gonna talk about. And this day that I want to talk about is the day that he changed my life. Early one Sunday morning, he reached way down. He picked me up, turned me all around. He placed my feet on the solid ground. Ever since that day, y'all, I haven't been the same. He changed the way I walk.